to the fullest. Blow like a sucking moment, now no get one other man crazy. You diss the general, know the whole of spot.
I done the badness again. Me a chip on the cake clip, then you done my bro, me no know how to them. Yeah, I see flicks and murder, shirt beat like birds, and me a walk around like I'm here run the world. And not talk about that the badness what you heard. I say a straight a lot if you see true contain. Pop a pill pan a flight, killer for me pan plane. Bust a back up on a yacht, bitch swallow champagne. Me no wanna cry.
Woman!
Hungry, 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 hungry days again.
Hungry days again.
Now look good here. What do you look for? Woman! Woman! How do you do it again?
Why when a young youth arise, them want we fi dead young. Them want we fi go under dead ground. But we not stoop. No time we not bend down. Because hungry days man a search for the food for the pot. 1 pound of rice with the chicken back. We stand firm on the block. No time we not run from the cops. Watch her then. Hungry days man a search for the food for the pot.
Alright, blessed morning, my viewers and subscribers. Welcome back to the channel Big Voice Radio in the building. Anyway, what I'm going to talk about now, you know, watch the videos, you know, see the clips and what go on with the funeral of the one other than Tickman and everything. But right now, I'm not going to really comment a lot about it because I never did I go talk about this topic here, you know, because I do not know this man. I do not indulge in those type of topics. But people, a few people send them to me and say them like my reasoning on certain things. So I say, alright, you know what? I go tread along the lines a little bit and touch upon it and tell you what I really see. And because this funeral, a whole heap of things can talk about it, but me just focus on 3 little things. That is 3 major things too. But me I go just reason a little bit about it because me and my way I go work. Big up every 9 to 5 worker. Big up on yourself. You don't know, big up the youth them where I do a thing to try and make ends meet until better day come. See? So me there, I go to work right now. So me I go ride and whistle. I go ride and whistle right now because we have bills to pay, picnic to feed, and food to eat. See? But anyway, when I want to touch pan, come watch the clips and everything, and I say, Jano, if you show that clip, the clips you want to watch, if you want to show them to anybody in the world that is not a Jamaican or don't know Jamaican culture, and show them and ask them, who is that person or who is that funeral? What is that funeral represents? And if they don't know nothing about Jamaica, they will tell you say that is a top-notch send away, top-notch funeral by some elite official or officials, meaning to owe the castic, the motorcade, the security details and everything. Yo, number 1, that is a state level send off. including the motorcade and the security detail with the police and the soldier and everybody. We make sure knows the safety is top priority. Yes, me understand that, but me never know say one man that is not, I know, is not an elected official or a general law-abiding citizen is the one other gang leader, which is a criminal organization. Seeing that is not breaking news. That's why him get that send off. I mean, I say, wow, Janu, that a number one. It was a state level funeral send off. Yeah, man, with the security detail, the police, the soldier, man, it was amazing to see. So that was number one. Number two for me was the hype and excitement surrounding a gang leader funeral. Seeing? So the hype and excitement, we know Jamaican, we are Jamaican, and we not gonna be biased. We know say when it comes to funeral and party and wedding, people find money for do. Hey, no matter how the person poor, when them are married, or when them have funeral, or when them are got party, them find the money by any means to make sure say them a go at that funeral, party, or wedding. Remember me tell you, especially party and funeral. The hype and excitement, yo, it's amazing how we still indulge in those things. And sometimes when them go to the funeral, sometimes it's not even for pay homage to the death. It's just for put on fancy clothes and put on some long wig and hair and nails and everything for take picture and post. For show off and hype on other people. That's where most our culture entails that. Hype and excitement. You hear the people on the roadside attack, and it come like not even a funeral. It come like a Obama or Andrew Holness a come through. That's how amazing it was to them. Seeing? So that's number two for me. The hype and excitement that is deeply ingrained in our society, in a Jamaican culture, and we need to cut out them type of thing there, yo. Because I have an idea, when a man dead. Me have an uncle named Reds. Big up yourself, Reds. For me a little youth, the man always say this: live your life, because when you're dead, you're done. There's no coming back. Sleep is next to death. So when I see a man dead and a man a put NC and ring and watch and all those things, that don't have no significance to the death. That's just hype and excitement. That's it. So give what you want to give to a person now while he's alive or she's alive, or when them sick. Look, when you're sick and want some help, you want some medication, nobody if you stretch a hand and say, "See, want money here, go buy some medication." Nobody not did it. But they don't see what happened to you. You get a $1 million, $2 million, $3 million dead package at the funeral homes. Yeah, man. Family member will not even get $1 from one time 10, 20 years ago. They don't see what happened to you. Any see a pop on you. Champagne. You have to never celebrate them, celebrate say dead. A joke thing. But me not go expound too much. So that's number two for me, the hype and excitement. Number three, and these are the most important, the little youth them, the juvenile them, the little female them, the little boys and girls. When them see things like this, when them hear say a done, dead, and get a send off like that, every little youth will look and say, wait, this me want be? Because it is so fascinating to even me as a big man. Can you imagine a little youth around the area see the Dan get a send off like that? Him never see an electrician, him never see a plumber, him never see a farmer, him never see him teacher, him never see the nurse, him never see nobody in a film area get a send off like that. Never. But him see the Dan get that. And you tell a little youth now, nothing strive to be a Dan. Yeah, we can tell them, but what we assure them, when a little youth see that, that them want to become. Because that is what trigger something in their mind and say, yo, I want to be that. I want to get a send off like that. The only people that can get a send off like a Dan, like that, is like a president or a prime minister, a top notch, top tier, elected official, or maybe an entertainer, you know, musician like a Bob Marley, you know me I say, like a big musician, you know. Nobody else can get that. So you have to understand the significance of how them people here influence the little youth them in the area. And when a little youth I hear about chopping and scamming and floss and everything, a little regular 9 to 5 work when me do and you do, them no want to do that because that not have no hype around it. So you can't even blame the little youth them because of that them see, and that them want. Because of that give them the girl and the clout and everything. One little plumber guy round the sun, one little barber youth like me, or one little hairstylist, or one little plumber. Ah man, them man not get no, them man they not relevant. Them man they have to go, hey listen man, they are hurt now. And as me say, we're not going to expound on it, but the little youth them, yo, if your father or your uncle or your brother now tell you, listen to me as a stranger, but me can be your brother, me can be your uncle, me can be even some of your father. Don't follow the hype and the excitement. It is not real. It is a facade. It is not real. Be careful where you watch, and the parents will need to protect the youth them. We have to do a better job with the youth them because we're not perfect. But the little youth them must see them thing there, and that them want to be. But the little youth them will watch this, yo, don't follow the hype and the excitement. Do what's right. You can be whatever you want to be. You know, have to be a scammer, you don't have to be a gunman, you don't have to be none of that. Be what you want to be. Be a good, what do I call it now, a positive role model. Be something of significance in a society where no police and no soldier now look for you to kill you. Be free. That's right there. So big up on yourself, you don't know. Yo, me want to talk longer, but me have to come and work right now because me have bills to pay. So big up on yourself, enough love and enough respect. Big Voice Radio in the building. Big up on yourself.
Hungry, 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 hungry days again.
Hungry days again.
Jamaica is one of the most famous islands in the Caribbean, known for its reggae music, delicious cuisine, and laid-back culture. The island is home to some of the most beautiful beaches in the world.